For years, the Toyota Supra has been the definition of a legendary sports car, built for speed, precision, and pure driving excitement. But what if I told you that the 2026 Supra GR is faster, bolder, and more powerful than ever before? This isn't just a minor update. Toyota has transformed the Supra into something even more thrilling. And today, we're diving deep into every exciting detail. From an upgraded powerhouse under the hood to a more aggressive, race-inspired design, this Supra is built to dominate the streets and the track. But what exactly makes it better than its predecessors? What new performance upgrades push it even closer to supercar status? And most importantly, is this the best Supra yet? By the time we're done, you'll know everything about the 2026 Toyota Supra GR, its new engine, improved handling, tech upgrades, and whether it's worth your money. And trust me, there's one change under the hood that no one saw coming. Let's get right into it, starting with the heart of this beast, its completely reworked performance system. Blast off. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Supra GR is expected to feature a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid engine, potentially delivering up to 500 horsepower with the assistance of electric motors. This marks a significant evolution from previous models, aiming to provide exhilarating acceleration and enhanced fuel efficiency. The hybrid system is anticipated to offer a balanced weight distribution, with the electric motor and battery strategically positioned to optimize handling and stability. This setup not only boosts straight-line speed, but also enhances cornering dynamics, making the Supra GR a formidable contender on both road and track. While specific transmission details are yet to be confirmed, the integration of a hybrid powertrain suggests the possibility of advanced transmission options designed to seamlessly manage the combined output of the gasoline engine and electric motors. These performance enhancements reflect Toyota's commitment to blending cutting-edge technology with the Supra's storied legacy, delivering a driving experience that is both thrilling and efficient. Stay tuned as we delve into the striking design and aesthetic updates that set the 2026 Supra GR apart from its predecessors. The 2026 Toyota Supra GR is set to captivate enthusiasts with its bold redesign, seamlessly blending modern aesthetics with the iconic DNA of its predecessors. Embracing Toyota's new global architecture luxury (TNGAL) platform, the new Supra promises enhanced structural rigidity and improved handling dynamics. The exterior showcases a more aggressive stance, featuring sharp lines and aerodynamic contours that not only enhance its visual appeal, but also contribute to performance efficiency. Notable design elements include a reimagined front fascia with sleek LED headlights, a sculpted hood reminiscent of the classic Mk4 Supra, and a streamlined rear profile with integrated spoilers for improved downforce. Inside, the cabin offers a driver-focused layout, incorporating premium materials and advanced technology to ensure both comfort and connectivity. High-quality upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and an intuitive infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration create an environment where luxury meets performance. Stay tuned as we explore the cutting-edge technological advancements that elevate the 2026 Supra GR to new heights. The 2026 Toyota Supra GR is poised to integrate cutting-edge technology, enhancing both performance and driver experience. Building upon its legacy, the upcoming model is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain, potentially combining a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with electric assistance to deliver up to 500 horsepower. In terms of design, the new Supra is anticipated to retain its iconic silhouette, while incorporating subtle updates focused on aerodynamics and functional vents to support the high-performance hybrid system. Inside the cabin, drivers can expect a blend of luxury and advanced technology. The interior is likely to feature premium materials, customizable ambient lighting, and an intuitive infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration, ensuring both comfort and connectivity. These technological advancements reflect Toyota's commitment to innovation, aiming to provide an exhilarating driving experience while embracing modern efficiency standards. Stay tuned as we conclude with insights into the anticipated release and what this means for enthusiasts and the automotive market. The 2026 Toyota Supra GR is shaping up to be one of the most exciting sports cars in recent years. With its powerful hybrid-assisted engine, bold new design, and cutting-edge technology, Toyota is taking the Supra's legacy to the next level. Whether you're a die-hard Supra fan or just someone who loves high-performance cars, this model offers speed, style, and innovation like never before. From the enhanced powertrain, delivering up to 500 horsepower, to the aerodynamic design improvements and the advanced tech-packed interior, the 2026 Supra GR proves that Toyota is committed to keeping the Supra at the top of the performance car world. But now, we want to hear from you. What do you think about the new Supra? Do you love the idea of a hybrid-assisted sports car, or do you think Toyota should have stuck with a traditional gas-powered engine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more car updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the latest automotive releases. We've got more exciting content coming your way, including more 2026 performance cars, head-to-head comparisons, and future car tech that will blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.